Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT Education. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely and tasty jerk chicken for the first time. As a Nigerian, let's begin. Bismillah. One tablespoon of allspice berries. Add to warm water. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 5 garlic. Medium size of ginger. And 1 medium size of onion. I use the spoon to peel the back of the ginger because I don't want to waste any of the ginger while peeling with knife. It's easier that way and it's faster. The hot water was used so just to rinse the spice, not to soak it. 4 scotch bonnet was added, 2 green and 2 red. The spice was rinsed just to get rid of any sand or stone that it may contain. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I think I will have to use the big blender. Scotch bonnet has been added, and I'm going to add additional 1 tablespoon of allspice to the mixture. So I'm using 2 tablespoons in total of allspice. 1 tablespoon of Chinese spice, followed by 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce. I think the idea of the dark soy sauce is just to make the chicken dark or black. And I'm going to follow that with brown sugar, dark brown sugar. So I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons. The recipe that I'm following say I should use molasses, but I don't have molasses, so I'm going to be using this cane sugar because molasses is made from cane sugar. It's like cane mixture, so I'm going to be using 3 of that. One tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and this 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and salt. 1/2 cup of oil. 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning. My own twist, the recipe say thyme, but I'm using this herb instead, and I'm using 2 tablespoons. Last but not the least, the spring onion. That's 10 in total. Oh, I don't know why I decided to fight with the spring onion. Anyway, that's it. I'm adding 4 of these. This is my own twist. It's my own idea. So let's just look over and see how the blending goes. This is the end result of the blending of all the spice, season and veg together. And the kid has been tasting it. My other ones keep licking it. He says it is like jerk chicken already. So I'm going to be adding this to the chicken. The chicken has been wings, and the chicken has been wings 13 in total. So these are the chicken that I'm going to be using. So let me go and put on my glove. Now I need to cover the chicken with all the spice and the season. The chicken is swimming in the sauce, so I'm going to cover this now and let it marinate overnight. While that is being set aside, I prepare the kidney beans to be used to cook the peas and rice, as they call it. Add warm water to rinse it with. After it has been rinsed, boiled water was added to soak it with. It's going to be soaked overnight. I tend to learn that jerk chicken was called jerk chicken because of the way it's being cooked, because it's normally cooked on the charcoal as a barbecue. But since we are in winter, we are not in summer, and I can't cook it I don't have garden, so I'm going to make my own barbecue based oven. I don't even know what to call it, but that's what I'm trying to do now. This is the look of the beans the following day. It's a little bit soft. While the chicken is being put in the oven, I'm preparing the peas. I'm adding 1 liter of boiled water to this, and I'm going to be adding salt as well. I'm just starting to ingredient. The setting does not have beans, so I'm going to be using manual cook, pressure cook for 10 minutes. Instance. The beans is ready, so I'm going to be adding 3 cups of rice that's been washed and cleaned, and I will add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and ½ teaspoon of beef jumbo mangi to it. The rice and the season has been added, so I'm adding the oil now. That's 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I need to set this to additional 9 minutes. Let me use my hand, Jaggy. The remaining chicken was grilled in air fryer. Charcoal was also added to the air fryer, but the mistake that I made is that I had the charcoal to where the rubber is, and the rubber get burned. The rubber at the middle is for stirring the food, but that one is damaged now. So if you are going to be adding charcoal to your air fryer to make it have that smoky effect, you have to look for a place that doesn't have any rubber, maybe the metal where you put the chicken on. So that would be the best place to put the charcoal, not at the center where the rubber is. The next thing online is to make the sauce. This is the leftover from the chicken, so I'm going to be adding water from the blender, so this, and I'm going to let it cook for 20 minutes because the sauce has been mixed with raw chicken, and I'm going to add like 50 ml or 50 gram of vegetable oil to this and put it to boil. The vegetable oil has been added, so I'm going to cover it now and let it steam. This is the look of the chicken after 20 minutes of being put in the oven. So I'm going to turn it over and let it be done for another 10 minutes. Alhamdulillah, Allah couldn't name man. The rice and peas is ready. Also, the sauce is also ready. Next on the cooking line is coleslaw. The dressing that comes with it was added with additional mayonnaise. Now, I will mix this together. I'm also adding some salad cream to it. That's about 1 tablespoon. Alhamdulillah, our coleslaw salad is ready, so it's going to be set aside. This is the chicken after 20 minutes, so I'm going to turn it and let it cook for additional 20 minutes. It's very hot. The core is still inside, so I'm going to let it cook for additional 20 minutes in the air fryer. It took 40 minutes to cook this in the air fryer, and this is the end result. This is the end result of the chicken. So serving time. Also, the sauce is also ready, so it's serving time. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. All this put together really help our channel to grow, and we do appreciate all your support. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love from IWHAT.